So, what is the news? Well, the news is, well, not that much news, but we would like to ask people to change the way how they communicate feedback. So often I receive from somebody who read a lot of the forums, check YouTube. I receive a link like, hey, this client has this problem and that was his solution. And it would be so much better if, not better, it would be so much more constructive if people would just contact us or the dealer and tell them like, hey, we have this problem. Did you hear the problem? Because we can react and we can improve our quality. It often happens like I get a message after a video is already for weeks on online and I never heard about it. And of course, I cannot look to all the forums, all the YouTubes, follow everything, because we need to work here, like work, yeah? Like we have bikes to be ready. And if I would be all day long reading forums, thinking. So my question is, we are with a very small group of Velonauts, people who are really enthusiastic about the bicycles, and please contact us. Please contact the dealer where you bought it. We really want to find solutions for all the problems we have, and I know we have problems, and we work hardcore on improving things. We have all kind of check forums, but if we don't get feedbacks, it's hard to improve things. And also another thing, I was really surprised. If I speak with the persons one-to-one, often people say, oh, I'm very, very happy with the bike. And there was this tiny thing was not right. And then I see them writing on them on the forums or on public, and I think like, huh? Is that the same person? What? So we're a small group and we all want to have better bicycles, better velomobiles, enjoy life with these beautiful machines. Please let's change this habit of going first on the internet and then go to us or to the dealers. The slogan is together for perfection. I ask you also, please be together with us. Be together to build and give feedback and improve. Have a great day. Bye bye.